Every day as the day breaks, more than 9,000 people gather at Youngone Corporation's world-class garment manufacturing facility, one of the most advanced RMG manufacturing facilities in Bangladesh, producing a range of products in high-tech fashion and sports and utility wear. This Youngone facility's vertical integration brings everything from raw material production to fabric weaving and dyeing within close proximity. The result is increased efficiency and a shorter lead time. A constant focus is placed on creativity in design and innovation in production techniques. A prime example of this focus is construction without sewing. This is a technique where separate parts of the garment are fused, producing a smooth finishing, a pleasing look, and added strength and reliability. Youngone was one of the first to bring this technology to the country. Housing some of the most advanced machineries in the world, a team of competent engineers and trained professionals work towards constant maintenance to ensure uninterrupted production. This facility is self-sufficient with an on-site gas-fueled 4-megawatt power generation plant. Production here remains unaffected from outside power outages. It has its own effluent treatment plant and water recycling facility, leaving no harmful trace on the surrounding environment. Youngone was the first to establish such a plant within a garments factory in Bangladesh. Additionally, this Youngone facility received the Blue Sign certification and is one of only 3 companies to have such certification in Bangladesh as of 2016. All 3 of them are Youngone companies. Over the years, Youngone has been recognized a number of times for its work towards industry best practices and a sustainable operation. In Youngone facilities, a safe and healthy working environment is the key to workplace harmony. A trained workforce, streamlined workflow, and best practices lead to high production capacity and accuracy, while at the same time ensuring workplace safety, happiness, and satisfaction. Youngone is always prepared for challenges. For example, both announced and unannounced fire drills are performed on a regular basis to test the facility's fire hazard management system. The state-of-the-art firefighting tools and equipment are approved by the Accord, ensuring the highest level of safety. Bangladesh's biggest asset is its abundance of enthusiastic, hard-working people. For Youngone, this translates into a human resource pool of young, energetic, and dedicated people. Every opportunity is taken to enrich their potential through continuous training and development. This is how Youngone introduces best practices in garments production to its workforce, boosting their production rate and at the same time gaining the best quality product. Youngone understands that loyalty is a two-way process and is always willing to walk the extra mile to take care of the mental and physical well-being of its workforce. Services and facilities provided to workers include highly subsidized food at the in-house canteen, on-premise health and medical services, counseling experts, a children's daycare center, and an active workers committee, making sure that there's always effective and ongoing communication between workers and management. To inspire leadership, Youngone has initiated the Youngone Leadership Development Program. The aim is to develop existing managers by exposing them to relevant knowledge and leadership skills for the sustainable growth of the company. The graduation of its first batch is due in 2019. Situated in the heart of the Dhaka Export Processing Zone in Savar, this Youngone facility is the first and largest establishment within that zone. Youngone has been operating successfully since 1993, starting with the high-tech Sportswear Industries Limited plant. Its second factory, named the Savar Sportswear Company Limited, was established in 1994. Youngone facilities have already stood the test of time for over 2 decades. Over the years, Youngone has been exporting its specialized products to a number of countries on every continent: the Americas, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Africa. As the pioneer and technology leader of this highly specialized craft in Bangladesh, this Youngone facility will keep giving its best efforts to deliver to the consumers around the world the best action-orientated clothing experience with innovative high-tech products for years to come.